Hey kids, do you know the names of all the months in the year? Let's go on a fun adventure and learn them together. January. January is the first month, and it's chilly and cold. Look, there's snow everywhere. February. Then comes February, the month of love. Valentine's Day makes everything sweet. March. March means spring is here. Flowers start to bloom and the sun comes out to play. April. April brings some rain, but that's okay, because after the rain comes a beautiful rainbow. May. May is sunny and warm. The birds are singing and the days are bright and long. June. Then comes June. It's summertime. Time for ice cream, swimming, and lots of fun in the sun. July. July brings big celebrations. Fireworks light up the sky and everyone cheers for summer. August. In August, we head to the beach for even more summer fun. Sand castles and seashells. September. September means the leaves turn golden and red, and school begins again. October. October brings spooky fun, pumpkins, ghosts, and costumes for Halloween. November. November brings cool breezes and cozy days. We spend time with family and give thanks. December. And finally, December, it's time for the holidays, full of joy, presents, and lots of snow. Wow. We just learned the names of all 12 months. Let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job, kids. Thanks for joining me on this month-tastic adventure. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.